Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit to the bell icon so you never miss update. Let's get start the video without wasting your time. So guys, how to turn off active status on Facebook app and Messenger app. So let's get started video. How to turn off Facebook and Messenger's active status on another person showing your active stations on online and offline. So how can turn off these options on your phone on Facebook app and Messenger app? So first of all, open Facebook app on your phone and then tap on three lines. After that, it will appear on screens, and then tap on settings on your Facebook app and then scroll down and find his active status. Now he is showing active status. Now you can see shows when you are active. When you turn on your active status, shows to people so you are connected on Facebook and messengers, and people you have sent you friend requested. You can only view another status if you is turned off. So now you can see if you is not showing the active status on your Facebook app, then back home screen close page again. Find your Messenger app on your phone and then tap here and then tap on menu app. After that, tap on settings and then tap on active status. Now click here and it will turn off. Now until tap here, so tap on pause. Back home screen again opens Facebook Messenger app and Facebook app. Now we can see is not showing the online status another person and not showing your online options another person. So if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching videos. Thank you.